Now I am here on my Kali Linux operating system. I am going to install Ventoy in this system for making multi-boot pen drives. For installing Ventoy in your Linux operating system, open your web browser and paste the following link in the search bar. I will provide that link in the description box. After pasting, press enter. Now scroll and choose the second option. It will pop up a new window and your download will start soon. Now you can see that the download has started, but I am cancelling it because I have already downloaded it. Now after downloading this file in your system, open up your terminal and navigate to the directory in which you have downloaded the file. In my case, I have downloaded this tool in my downloads directory. So I am switching to my downloads directory using cd command. After navigation, type ls to view content of the directory. Now you can see a zip file here. Now we have to unzip this file. For that purpose, type the following command that you can see on your screen. By the way, don't worry about the commands. I will provide all the commands in the description box. After unzipping, type ls and you can see a new directory here. Now switch to this directory using cd command and type ls to view the content of the directory. Here you can see a file name Ventoy GUI x8664. For execution, type / and the file name. And here we go. You can see that our Ventoy has started and you can see its version. Now it's time to plug the pen drive in your computer. I have plugged my pen drive into the computer. Now click on the refresh icon and you can see the pen drive name. Now just click on install button. It will take some time. Now you can see that our installation process has been completed. Now our pen drive is ready to boot. Now copy any operating system ISO file in the pen drive and start using it. For example, I have two ISO files on my computer. One is Manjaro and the second is Parrot operating system. I'm copying both ISO images in the pen drive so that I can use them. If you have any problem regarding to this procedure, tell me in the comment section. Make sure to like and subscribe and thank you for watching.